Welcome back to the PMP Certification Prep Training course. Common Tools and Techniques in Project Management. This visual employs the SN1F technique, a structured method for analyzing and refining data management processes. The acronym breaks down as follows. S represents the current state, capturing existing workflows, pain points, and inefficiencies. N1 signifies the immediate next state, targeting achievable short-term improvements that bridge the gap between the present and the future. Finally, F denotes the future state, envisioning the optimized, ideal process after full transformation. This approach ensures that data management evolution is both pragmatic and visionary. By systematically addressing the current reality, prioritizing near-term enhancements, and aligning with long-term goals, it enables organizations to implement changes incrementally yet purposefully. This reduces disruption, manages risk, and maintains focus on continuous improvement, turning abstract strategies into actionable, phased initiatives that enhance data quality, integration, and utility across the enterprise. Expert judgment involves leveraging data and information shared with qualified experts to solve problems or make decisions. Experts are individuals recognized by their peers for their subject matter expertise. They can be part of the organization, department, project team, or even outsourced internally or externally, offering valuable insights to guide decision-making and problem-solving processes. Expert judgment is the strategic leveraging of specialized knowledge to transform precise inputs, such as reactor specifications, material strength, fuel parameters, and structural design, into highly accurate and actionable outputs, including failure scenario forecasts, impact assessments, rebuilding cost projections, and prevention strategies. This disciplined reliance on seasoned professionals and domain specialists ensures that complex decisions are informed by deep expertise, empirical evidence, and pragmatic insight, minimizing uncertainty and maximizing the reliability of outcomes in high-stakes environments. By synthesizing technical precision with experiential wisdom, expert judgment turns intricate data into decisive, authoritative guidance that drives innovation, manages risk, and upholds the highest standards of quality and safety. Meetings play a central role in corporate communication and decision-making. To be effective, they require proper planning, coordination, and thorough documentation. From setting a clear agenda to defining who needs to be in the room, every detail contributes to a productive outcome. In large organizations, administrative assistants often carry the responsibility of managing this process. This includes scheduling the meeting, identifying attendees, choosing the venue or platform, and ensuring all participants receive invitations with relevant details and materials ahead of time. Well-run meetings help teams align, make decisions, and keep projects moving forward. Problems are the unexpected barriers that can stall our momentum, whether in personal life, professional environments, or broader social contexts. They test our resilience and demand clear thinking and structured response. Recognizing that problems are a natural part of progress helps us face them proactively instead of being caught off guard. Problem solving is the process of approaching these challenges with logic and creativity. It starts with identifying the problem, understanding what opportunities it might present, and clearly defining our goals. From there, we explore possible strategies, assess expected outcomes, take informed actions, and later reflect on what worked and what didn't. This cycle not only resolves the issue but helps us grow smarter and stronger for the next one. Problem solving is a core competency in both personal and professional settings. It involves identifying obstacles that hinder progress and approaching them with structured methods to find workable solutions. These problems can range from operational challenges in a business to interpersonal conflicts within a team. Recognizing the problem early and defining it clearly is often half the battle won. A strong problem-solving approach follows key steps: analyzing the situation, setting clear objectives, exploring potential strategies, implementing solutions, and evaluating the results. This method not only helps resolve the immediate issue, but also uncovers insights and learning that can be applied to future challenges. Ultimately, effective problem-solving turns obstacles into opportunities for growth and innovation. Knowledge management can be viewed through several important lenses. First, there's the people aspect, how individuals in an organization are empowered to use their knowledge to influence and support others. Developing people means building their confidence and ability to share what they know in impactful ways. Then come the processes and structure. These vary between organizations, but the goal is the same, to create a workflow and setup that supports smooth knowledge sharing. Technology plays a supportive role here, but it should only be introduced once the organization's specific knowledge needs are clearly defined. And at the core of all this is culture. A culture that values and encourages knowledge sharing is what truly enables knowledge management to thrive. Visual examination plays a crucial role in ensuring quality throughout a project or production process. It involves carefully inspecting raw materials, components in progress, and even final outputs to verify they meet the required standards. This can include looking over specifications and requirements and checking if the work aligns with what was planned or expected. It's not just about catching defects, it's about maintaining consistency, preventing issues before they grow, and ensuring that everything produced contributes to a reliable outcome. Visual checks are often the first and most immediate step in a broader quality assurance strategy. Advertising is all about reaching out to a wide audience with a clear, consistent message. Unlike personal selling, it's a non-personal form of communication, meaning the message is delivered to the masses, not tailored to individuals. It's structured, intentional, and typically involves payment to promote a product, idea, or service. The key is that it's sponsored, someone is behind the message, and it's delivered through various media channels like TV, radio, print, or digital platforms. Advertising plays a crucial role in shaping public perception, increasing visibility, and driving interest or action. An early version of an idea, product, or system, often called a prototype, is created to test assumptions, visualize potential outcomes, and identify issues before full development begins. It helps validate designs and explore different alternatives, allowing teams to refine their approach based on feedback and early insights. These models can range from simple sketches and visual storyboards to interactive software mock-ups. By illustrating the process or end result clearly, they help stakeholders understand the vision and contribute to more informed decision-making early in the project lifecycle. Progressive elaboration is a key project management approach where the project plan is continuously refined and expanded as more information becomes available. Initially, high-level estimates and assumptions are used, but over time, as details become clearer, more accurate and specific planning can be done. This iterative process allows project teams to adjust their strategy and resources effectively, ensuring the plan evolves to reflect new insights, changes, or unforeseen challenges. It promotes flexibility while keeping the project aligned with its overall goals. Rolling wave planning is an iterative project planning technique that focuses on detailed planning for the near-term tasks, while leaving future work more high-level. As the project progresses and more information becomes available, the plan is progressively elaborated to provide more detail for upcoming tasks. This approach allows for flexibility in managing uncertainty, ensuring that teams can adapt their plans as they learn more. Whether used in agile or waterfall methodologies, rolling wave planning supports dynamic decision-making by refining work packages and activities as the project unfolds. Context diagrams are used to illustrate how a system interacts with external actors, outlining the boundaries and key interfaces of the system. Often referred to as a level 0 data flow diagram, it provides a high-level overview of the system's environment without delving into internal processes. These diagrams help clarify the context in which the system operates, focusing on the exchanges between the system and its external entities. They are an essential tool for understanding system requirements and ensuring alignment with external stakeholders' needs. A data flow diagram is a much more complex representation of a context diagram. DFDs show a further level of detail not shown in the context diagram. DFDs identify the source of data, its flow between processes and its destination. It along also shows data generated by the system. Decomposition in project management is the process of breaking down a large, complex project into smaller, more manageable components. This technique is essential for organizing and defining the project scope and deliverables into clear, actionable tasks. By subdividing the project into manageable parts, teams can focus on specific aspects of the project, ensuring a more structured and controlled approach. Decomposition also allows for easier tracking, better resource allocation, and enhanced clarity in executing the project's objectives. These elements represent the core pillars of modern project management, integrating data quality assurance, stringent control and protection of information, proactive risk management, and intelligent automation of workflows. Together, they form a robust framework that ensures integrity, security, and efficiency, enabling teams to transform raw data into actionable insights, mitigate threats, and streamline operations while maintaining compliance and accelerating delivery in complex environments. Google OpenRefine tool transforms raw, disordered data into structured, analysis-ready information through features like clustering, parsing, and faceting, all without requiring advanced coding skills. Supported by extensive online tutorials and a vibrant community, OpenRefine empowers users to tackle real-world data challenges, ensuring accuracy, enhancing reliability, and saving valuable time in data preparation workflows. It is an indispensable utility for anyone committed to data integrity and clarity. Tableau represents the vanguard of business intelligence, delivering unparalleled speed and agility in transforming complex data into intuitive, actionable visualizations. As one of the fastest evolving tools in its category, it empowers users to rapidly analyze and explore datasets, uncovering hidden patterns and insights with minimal effort. Its strength lies in enabling both technical and non-technical audiences to interact with data dynamically, fostering a culture of informed decision-making and collaborative discovery. Central to its power is the ability to create interactive, intuitive dashboards that communicate insights with clarity and impact. By streamlining the sharing of analytics through cloud-based platforms, Tableau breaks down traditional barriers to data access, ensuring stakeholders across an organization can leverage real-time information strategically. This combination of depth, accessibility, and speed solidifies Tableau's role not just as a tool, but as an essential platform for driving modern data-centric innovation. Tableau stands out as one of the most powerful business intelligence and data visualization platforms available today. Its strength lies in enabling real-time analysis, seamless data blending, and effortless collaboration, all while eliminating the need for advanced technical expertise. Tableau empowers users at every level of an organization to work directly with data, transforming raw numbers into clear, dynamic insights that drive smarter decisions at speed. While competitors like Oracle, SAS, ClickView, Dundas BI, and Profit-Based BI exist in the market, Tableau continues to dominate because of its balance of power and simplicity. Its accessibility, coupled with strong system support across platforms, makes it not just a tool for analysts but a collaborative engine that brings entire teams into the data conversation. Tableau does not just visualize information, it democratizes analytics, making data-driven decision-making a standard rather than an exception. SPSS, developed by IBM, has earned its reputation as one of the most powerful and preferred tools for statistical analysis. Known both as the statistical package for the social sciences and the statistical product and service solution, it is widely embraced across disciplines ranging from social sciences to health research and marketing. What sets SPSS apart is its simplicity of use combined with its ability to process vast amounts of data and perform advanced manipulations, without requiring the steep learning curve of programming-based statistical platforms. Its versatility is further reinforced by its cross-platform compatibility, running seamlessly on Linux, Unix, Windows, and Mac systems, while offering researchers the ability to generate detailed tables, graphs, and reports with efficiency. With four main components, the data editor, output viewer, syntax editor, and script window, SPSS provides both flexibility and structure, making it suitable for novice users who rely on menus as well as advanced users who demand precise syntax-driven analysis. In short, SPSS is not just a statistics tool, it is an indispensable engine for transforming raw data into meaningful insights. SPSS has long stood as one of the most widely used tools in statistical analysis, and for good reason. Its simple and intuitive dashboard removes unnecessary complexity, allowing both beginners and experts to navigate and perform analyses with ease. Moreover, its popularity ensures broad compatibility. Vast datasets can be seamlessly loaded into the platform, while countless other programs readily import SPSS files, making it a cornerstone in data-driven research and academic environments. Yet, despite its strengths, SPSS is not without drawbacks. Its menu-driven approach, while easy to use, can feel limited for advanced users who demand deeper flexibility. More critically, its high cost remains a significant barrier, restricting access for many institutions, students, and independent researchers. In other words, while SPSS may dominate in accessibility and reputation, its price tag and basic menu offerings often leave users questioning whether its advantages outweigh its limitations. In October 1989, under the name Johns Macintosh Project, JMP was engineered to democratize advanced statistical analysis, empowering scientists and engineers to solve both routine and complex problems with unprecedented ease. Its early adoption by semiconductor manufacturers highlighted its robustness in high-stakes environments where precision and reliability are non-negotiable. JMP quickly became the tool of choice for professionals engaged in design of experiments, Six Sigma quality initiatives, and reliability modeling, providing an intuitive interface that bridged the gap between sophisticated statistical methods and practical application. Today, JMP remains a critical asset in data-driven industries, transforming raw data into actionable insights through dynamic visualization, predictive modeling, and iterative exploration. By integrating powerful analytics with user-friendly interactivity, it enables users to not only interpret data but also to innovate, optimizing processes, improving products, and driving efficiency across fields like engineering, pharmaceuticals, and manufacturing. JMP turns statistical complexity into a strategic advantage, fostering a culture of inquiry, validation, and continuous improvement. Founded in 1983 by Joel Koppelman and Dick Ferris, Primavera emerged as a pioneering force in project management software, specifically engineered to meet the complex demands of the heavy construction industry. With its long-standing products, P3 and SureTrack, Primavera established an unparalleled legacy, at one point being utilized by 25% of the heavy construction sector due to its robust scheduling, resource management, and critical path methodology. Though Oracle discontinued sales of these foundational versions in 2010, their influence set the stage for the evolution of the platform into a more advanced, enterprise-ready solution. The modern iteration, Primavera P6 EPPM, represents a significant technological leap, integrating governance, enhanced team collaboration, and real-time project visibility. The 2012 release of version 8.2 further expanded its capabilities by introducing mobile access through P6 Team Member for iPhone and web interfaces, bridging the gap between field operations and office planning. This transformation solidified Primavera's role not just as a scheduling tool, but as a comprehensive enterprise project portfolio management system, enabling large organizations to manage billion-dollar projects with precision, accountability, and strategic alignment. This overview showcases the diverse ecosystem of Kanban tools designed to integrate seamless workflow visualization into the platforms where teams already operate. From Kanban Flow's lean simplicity to specialized solutions like Workstreams, AI for Slack, Kanbanki for Google Workspace, and Microsoft Planner for Teams, these tools embed Kanban's efficiency directly into daily communication and productivity suites. They enable real-time collaboration, reduce context switching, and ensure that task management remains intuitive and accessible without ever leaving familiar digital environments. For teams demanding advanced functionality, tools like MeisterTask provide laser-focused task coordination, while Business Map scales to support complex, enterprise-level projects with robust analytics and control. TaskWorld further enhances flexibility by allowing users to add tasks across multiple projects simultaneously, streamlining oversight and prioritization. Together, these solutions transform Kanban from a simple board into a dynamic, connected system that promotes clarity, accountability, and continuous flow, whether for small teams or global organizations. Jira stands as the industry-standard agile project management platform, engineered to empower teams to plan, track, and release software with precision and confidence. As a proprietary tool developed by Atlassian, it integrates bug tracking, issue management, and agile methodologies into a unified system, serving as the single source of truth across the entire development lifecycle. This centralized approach provides autonomous teams with the critical context needed to maintain velocity while ensuring every task aligns with overarching business objectives, transforming chaotic workflows into streamlined, mission-focused execution. Beyond its core functionality, Jira offers remarkable adaptability and accessibility, including a free cloud plan for up to 10 users with 2 GB of storage and community support. Its digital transformation capability allows organizations to customize the tool to fit diverse work types, from software development to marketing campaigns, making it not just a tracker, but a dynamic engine for collaboration, transparency, and continuous delivery. By bridging the gap between technical execution and strategic goals, Jira turns complex projects into manageable, measurable, and successful outcomes. Thank you for your unwavering commitment to excellence and your dedication to mastering the profession. We wish you resounding success on your path to certification.